doing walking around like this shit didn't happen? You said nothing. Well, they stripped me down. You know me. You know me. You kept your head down and typed away. Let me know if you need anything. That's what you said?
No, I don't.
You do. You know exactly who I am.
You thought pulling the trigger was the hardest part. Turns out dealing with not pulling it, that's much worse.
No.
I directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold.
Welfare is a narcotic, a subtle destroyer of the human spirit.
I think we have to do is invest in American jobs, American education, control American healthcare costs, to bring the American people together.